Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. These are the Promover bootleg yoga pants in the color navy. I want to tell you a few things about them that will probably make you want to order them in multiple colors. One thing I absolutely love about these pants is the quality. So I do a lot of movements where I am on the ground, my knees, it causes a lot of friction with activewear, and there is no pilling. Honestly, they're just buttery soft. The texture is just perfect and they haven't frayed or pilled, and I love that. I have washed these and air dried them and they have maintained their excellent quality. Another thing I really like is the high waist. It goes to about belly button area. They're really comfortable and there's no movement. There's no scrunching, going up, going down, it stays put. The deep pockets on each side are also really great for going running, especially if you like to bring your phone with you. I have a big phone and the phone does stay put. And lastly, I love that these pants are multifunctional because they are bootleg cut or flared. You can see here, they're like almost like a bell bottom style. They look super cute with a sweater or a cute top if you want to go out. Nobody will know you're wearing yoga pants. You don't just have to wear them in the gym. You can wear them casually too. So if you are looking to get a new pair of yoga pants, definitely check out these yoga pants by Promover, the bootleg cut, and you'll probably want to order multiple colors. And that's just my point of view.